Welcome to our guide on how to search by location on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open Twitter on your PC and navigate to the search bar located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. In the search bar, type in the keyword or phrase you want to search for, and then press Enter to initiate the search. Next, look for the Search Filters option located in the top right corner of the search results page, and click on it. Within the search filters, locate and check the circle next to Within under the Locations section to specify the location you want to search within. By utilizing the Location search filter on Twitter, you can narrow down your search results to specific geographic locations, making it easier to find relevant content or conversations based on location. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to search by location on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your search experience on Twitter by utilizing location filters to discover content and engage with discussions specific to your desired location. Enjoy a more tailored and localized Twitter search experience by following these simple steps.